Number 3. Briggs & Riley Baseline. Hey guys! Today, we're diving into the amazing products of Briggs & Riley Baseline, which shines like a jewel for travel enthusiasts. Stick with me because this introduction is going to satisfy your wanderlust. Imagine this: functionality, durability, and style all in one. That's exactly where Briggs & Riley Baseline's design philosophy kicks in. This brand offers a carefully curated range of products designed to make life easier for travelers. And when it comes to quality, Briggs & Riley Baseline should be one of the first names that comes to mind. Each product stands out with its fine craftsmanship and durability. Made with high-quality materials, each item ensures you're never left stranded on the road. And here's where patented features and innovative designs come into play. Briggs & Riley Baseline products not only help you carry your luggage, but also make organizing it a breeze. Now everything falls into place. By blending comfort, functionality, and style, these products elevate your travel experience and instill confidence in you. So, are you ready to make unforgettable memories with Briggs & Riley Baseline? Number 2. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Soft Side. The Platinum Elite Soft Side series combines functionality, durability, and elegance to meet all the needs of travelers. This variety offers a range of bag options suitable for every type of travel plan, making it easier for you to choose the one that suits you best. The Travel Pro Platinum Elite Soft Side series offers a range of smart storage and organization features to help you maintain order while traveling. Features like interior compartments, zippered pockets, straps, and exterior organization compartments help keep your belongings tidy. Furthermore, the ergonomic design and comfortable carrying features of these bags provide comfort while traveling. Features like soft grip handles, adjustable shoulder straps, and telescopic handles make your travel experience more enjoyable. The Travel Pro Platinum Elite Soft Side series offers a perfect option for travelers. Designed to make your travel experience seamless and enjoyable, these bags feature high-quality materials, smart storage solutions, and comfortable carrying features. Number 1. Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. The design of this bag is truly eye-catching. It boasts a design that pushes boundaries and stands out with its functionality. Carefully crafted to meet the needs of travelers. The polycarbonate material not only ensures the bag is lightweight, but also enhances its durability. I can say it's suitable for long-term use, and of course its flexible structure provides protection against scratches and impacts. This bag is particularly suitable for frequent travelers, offering 360-degree maneuverability thanks to its 4 multi-directional spinner wheels. This allows you to easily navigate your bag. Additionally, the telescopic handle and ergonomic carrying handles make transportation more comfortable. It also offers smart storage solutions in its interior compartments. With zippered compartments and straps, you can keep your belongings organized and easily accessible during travel. Its modern design, durability, and practical features make it suitable for all types of travel experiences.